Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on STORJ future while examining STORJ cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to take this and any in every practical sense, other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like STORJ in a quite huge manner. Presently, we should head into it in an unobtrusive manner. Before we dive genuinely profound into the STORJ value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that STORJ for the most part is a fundamentally wise venture or not, for what reason will STORJ succeed or generally come up short, or for what reason will STORJ value rise or drop, we should rapidly certainly toss a look at what in a real sense is STORJ and its to-date history. STORJ price prediction for the next 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. The entire crypto world by and large is on an edge of an undeniable bear market in a for the most part enormous manner. Bitcoin for the most part has in a real sense drooped half from its unsurpassed kind of high in the midst of a more extensive market really drops influenced by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments, which by and large is very huge. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into commonly more steady business sectors. Crypto essentially is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous for the most part play, and thus the auction in an extremely significant manner. Our algo still sees a sum fundamentally green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which certainly is very huge. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to generally find a neighborhood base before we can move in the truly inverse bearing and alter the course, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will really begin to sort of do likewise. We have seen this situation many by and large times in the removed and kind of later history, which sort of is very huge. Our cost expectation model really is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We generally expect whales and essentially other basically greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking, which sort of is genuinely huge. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few truly other fundamentally exclusive elements created in our crypto lab in a significant way. STORJ price prediction 2022. Most of specialists basically concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We basically see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, or so they by and large thought. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be amazingly. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 12.27% $0.5105. 2022 October minus 27.04% $0.4246, which explicitly is genuinely critical. 2022 November minus 24.84% $0.4374. 2022 December minus 15.25% $0.4932. 2023 Jan minus 7.98% $0.5355 in a sort of huge manner. 2023 February plus 1.68% $0.5917, or so they especially thought. 2023 Mar plus 4.46% $0.6079. 2023 April plus 13.14% $0.6584, which is very critical. 2023 May plus 22.42% $0.7124. 2023 June plus 36.52% $0.7945. 2023 July plus 44.41%, $0.8403 in every practical sense, huge way. 2023 August plus 51.50%, $0.8816. STORJ price prediction 2025, which is very huge. Our forecast model sees STORJ coming to $1.44 in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will STORJ be worth in 5 years? The cost of STORJ in 5 years could lie around $1.35. STORJ price prediction 2030 to 2040. What STORJ will be worth in 2030, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our determining model sees STORJ coming to $3.60 in 2030. What STORJ will really be, all things considered, worth in 2040 in an unpretentious way. Our Gwajing model sees STORJ coming to $7.20 in 2040, which generally is very huge. Will STORJ most certainly supplant, especially outperform, in a real sense overwhelm Bitcoin? No, STORJ won't supplant or surpass BTC amazingly. Could STORJ at any point reach $10? Indeed, STORJ could basically reach $10 toward the finish of 2025, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Might STORJ at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for STORJ to truly reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, which is genuinely huge. Is STORJ worth purchasing, which generally is genuinely huge? We explicitly are promoters of decently unsafe financial planning. Contribute the greater part of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Thus, in this specific situation, STORJ merits purchasing, which basically is very huge. Is STORJ a wise interest in a very large manner? STORJ is, very much like all extremely other digital currencies, an unsafe interest in a really significant way. It accomplishes in every practical sense, have higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How kind of much will STORJ be worth, which truly is very critical. For the transient future, it could reach $0.3352, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In the especially long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $3.60 or even most certainly higher in a significant manner. For what reason will STORJ really succeed and get more expensive, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? STORJ has a decent use case, very much